I'm going to go over a espresso maker from the company Viesimple. Check this out, everybody. Number one, look at what an awesome box this is. I already had it out and used it, and I put it back in the box for the purpose of this video, but I really like the presentation of it. It's like a little magnet. They have a magnetic box. These are magnets right there. Opens up. Look at how nice and clean. By the way, I had that out. I'm just going to lay everything out. It comes with a very premium leather type filling bag. Look at this bag. How cool is that? That looks really good. And a set of instructions, some extra O-rings. There's some rings in here and some replacement O-rings. I will not need those right now. And then the unit itself, you've got the cap, the little filter piece, another little piece that I'll show you how all this goes together. It's basically included right there. And then the unit right here. You can see what it looks like, how it sets up. We do not, and there's nothing else in the box. Let's look under it. Nope, nothing else in the box. So let's close that up, set that aside. So let's check out the instructions on how to put this thing together. There's the top, which is right here, that has a lock on it. You have inside of here is where you can see it's still a little bit wet where the last time I used it. You have the top here. Make sure you have the convex side facing outward, and that you can see how it has the name. Espresso powder, your coffee powder, inside of here. That's inside that. Roll this over like that, and then screw this down. And I do have some water boiling right now. It's going to be a little tight. There it is right there. And then you open it, you see how the pump opens, you go to the unlock. So right there, it's ready to go. So now I want to open this up. You see down inside there how that thing works. So let me grab some hot water, and there's two lines in here. You can see there's a 60 millimeter line and an 80 millimeter. So I'm going to do 80 millimeter, and there's your cup, and the cup just goes on the bottom like that. So let me get some hot water, fill this thing up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I'm right on the 80 millimeter line. Put the pump down there like that. Screw this back on. And this thing feels extremely premium. This does not feel cheap at all. So place coffee, place water, 60 or 80 millimeters of water, which I did. Tighten the top cover, turn on the pump, press the pump 30 times, and you will get coffee. So let's go ahead. Let's do our 30 pumps while it's still warm here, and let's see if we get coffee. So let's go ahead. Let's speed this up, and then let's see what comes out right down there at the bottom. Right now, you see there's nothing in there. Okay, there it was. I went a little over 30. It felt like it could use some more. There's the espresso right there. And what I'm making today, I'm making an Americano. So what I will do is take that espresso, add some more hot water, and then make my cream and sugar, and then I'm good to go. This thing is absolutely amazing for things like that. I like the Americano because a little espresso is just not enough for me. So let me get my coffee cup, get some hot water, and let's put this, let's make an Americano. Okay, there it is, everybody. I went and got my Yeti tumbler, so I've got my cup ready. This has been setting for about 5 minutes after doing 30 to 40 pumps on the pump right there. So I think this thing is ready to go. Let's just kind of like look at it and try not to spill anything here. You can see there's the Americano juice down in there. Look at that, everybody. That's a good amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to pour it into there. I think I've let this drip long enough. You can see all of it right there. Pour that down in there. Add some hot water to that, and I've got Americano, and then I'm going to let this cool down. So I'm ready to go. You could drink it just like this. A lot of my friends drank just espressos by themselves, but for me, that's almost like a shot. I would rather have a whole cup of coffee. But looking at it right here, this thing was very premium, extremely easy to use. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'll clean it up, put it inside of its bag. Really looks really nice and premium. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Viesimple espresso maker. See y'all in the next video.